Wait, I wanna show the thing. I don't care. 2013, many problems come to me, but I don't think any wrong. Jack, I'm suffered the time. People don't know. 8 years journey, no be easy. I'm dropped 52 things. It is up. I don't care. 5 times 5. What has happened? 25. I wanna see it through for everybody. Jack. 5 p.m. I did for the corner. I don't know that things happened. It is crazy things. People thinking about wrong to me. That 2013, I get the problem. Nobody to help me. I'm a suffer. Good 8 years. It is not easy journey. I will try to do anything. I'm a cancel everything now. I move my life forward. I don't look my back. Jack, I lost many things of my life. It is material things. I don't think about anything. I will try to make my life in up. Jack, stand your feet. Don't joke it. Life is not easy. Watch your time. Jack, before I get a sickness, many people talk about the rubbish, say the wrong thing to me. But me, I don't follow anybody. I know the God. Anytime I'm talking to my God, I hear the message. God don't leave me any nothing. You are a human being. You think about it. Let you know.